All my life, I've suffered from blocked nose, watery eyes, and sneezing like 15 times as soon as I get up. Then I came to know that I have allergic rhinitis. Then I started keeping a diary from what allergens I get these symptoms, and which helped me to rule out everything. And I got to the conclusion that dust causes me to sneeze a lot of times. The treatment for this is fexofenadine, which is a non-sedative antihistaminic, so you won't feel sleepy after taking it. Do yoga and pranayama. Wash your nasal cavity with saline water and saline solution, which you can get from a pharmacy. There are some nasal sprays also available, but you can just use it as long as for a week. Share this video with your friends who suffer from this.